Welcome to Kiddo Kids. So I'm back with a brand new topic obviously and lots of games, and I've added 2 extra games because I'm very addicted to games. So you guys should be too. But I have more GKs and riddles and all that. And if you want to play these fun games with me, call me quickly. And even yesterday I couldn't ask anything about what you did during your Friday and Saturday. So if you want to share anything like that, also call me. So before that, we have a caller. So hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Ankita.
Ankita. Hi, Ankita.
Hi, for you. I'm Sharanya.
Okay. Hi, Sharanya.
Hi.
Who's Ankita?
Hi, Yona.
Okay, Sharanya.
Yeah?
Will you sing a song?
Okay, before that, I have a speech about Kiddo Kids and the callers. After that, I'll sing a song.
You have a
Speech.
sweets.
Speech.
Oh, speech. Okay.
And Kiddo Kids. Anamika Chechi. I call her Anu Chechi. I think she likes me. Anyway, I love her. She always says that I'm cute, and she gives me 2 times the caller of the day. Even she is my cute little angel, my own Anu Chechi. My favorite callers, about the callers. Malavika Chechi, she's a good singer. Anamika Chechi, a caller with the same name of my sister Anu Chechi. Sachin Chetan, a rocky singer. Okay.
Oh my God, Sharanya, you said your speech very well.
Thank you.
Okay, Sharanya, so you said it really well, and thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so will you sing a song?
Okay.
Okay.
Let me think, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I said one of my favorite callers are Malavika Chechi.
Okay.
So I'll sing a song which she has sung.
Okay.
Nachu mavilloru mayna Kuchupoyumo mayna Yenkinaiye Kuchineliye Maya mayna Mayna Kunirani kaitana kunyumaikal Obo kunyayayayayaya Ikayonye Yayayayaya Yayayayaya Yayayayaya. Okay?
Okay, Sharanya, you sang very well.
Thank you.
Okay, Sharanya, tell me one thing. Which grade are you in?
Hi.
Huh?
Hello.
Hello, which grade are you in?
I don't know.
No, which...
1 second, okay? Amma, ഞാൻ എത്ര ഗ്രേഡിലാ? KG2.
Oh, okay, you're in KG2. Which school?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello.
Which school do you study in?
I'm in our own.
Avron. Okay, Sharanya,
Yeah.
do you want to play a game with me?
Okay.
Okay, I made a game specially for you. No, seriously. Okay, this game is, I'll tell you one letter.
Okay.
You'll have to tell me 5 words with that.
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, so I'll give you 2 letters. So the first letter is A.
What I should do?
You should give me 5 words with it.
Ant.
Okay.
Apple.
Okay.
Ample.
What?
Ample.
Am. 'Apple'.
Yeah.
Okay.
Apple.
What? 'Apple'. 'Apple'. What? 'Apple'. 'Apple'.
Ample.
Okay.
Mm, Anniversary.
Huh?
Anniversary.
Anniversary.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
very and
Anamika.
thank you. Okay, Sharanya.
Yeah.
Okay, Sharanya, will you send us a photo of yours?
Hello.
Hello, will you send us a photo of yours?
Okay.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is day after.
Day after.
Yeah.
Okay, so send a picture, okay?
Okay.
Fine. So, Sharanya, thank you for playing with me and talking with me and interacting so much. I love you so much.
Thank you, Ma.
Umma. Okay, so Sharanya,
Okay.
call me tomorrow.
Okay, I want to tell you one thing.
What?
I want to tell you one thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Can you ask the next caller about me, please?
Okay, fine. I'll ask the next caller about you.
Okay. And I'll be hearing it, okay?
Okay, fine.
Anu Chechi.
Bye.
Bye, Anu Chechi.
Okay, so Sharanya had called us and she's very sweet. I've said this a billion times, so there's no point in repeating it over and over again because it's just fixed. But anyways, just like yesterday, we have an SMS question today also. So the question for today is, who is the author of The Wimpy Kid, The Diary of the Wimpy Kid? So if you know the answer, quickly SMS to 3939 with your name and stay tuned till the end of Kiddo Kids to see who's the winner. There'll be a lucky draw. So the winner will be getting a couple ticket to go watch the Sharjah Al Kasbah Latino Circus. So don't miss your chance and quickly send the answer with your name. Please don't forget to put your name. But anyways, before that we have a caller. So hello.
Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hi.
Sachin?
Yeah.
You did you hear what Sharanya said?
I heard.
You heard? You heard her speech?
What?
You heard her speech in the starting?
I didn't heard that Chechi said to me.
That Chechi. Hello?
Hello?
Oh, okay. Your sister said to you.
No.
Then?
The Chechi who was, when we called the phone, the Chechi comes here. She said to me.
Oh, okay. Fine. Sachin.
Yeah?
Okay, so Sharanya has asked me to ask you, what do you think about her?
Okay, she's smart.
She's smart. Okay, that's what you want to say.
Yeah.
What else?
She's cute.
Okay, she's cute.
Only that much.
Okay, did you hear what she said about you? No,
No.
right? She said that you're a rocking singer.
Thanks.
Okay, not me. Okay, thanks goes to Sharanya. Anyways, will you sing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll sing this song. Oof, oh. हम डांटे हम करूँगा उफ ओ हम सीधे बेसे जा उफ ओ हम लक्का से मारे शर्ता है के दावा धक्का लगेगा उफ ओ ना 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 उफ ओ ना 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 उफ ओ hello.
Okay, Sachin, you sang very well.
Thanks.
Okay, so did you hear the SMS question for today?
Yeah, I heard who's the author of Wimpy Kid. I'll not say the answer.
What?
Who is the author of Wimpy Kid? I
Okay.
know, I'll not say the answer to you.
Okay, don't say. Keep it a secret. Did you SMS?
Yeah, I'll SMS.
Okay, quickly SMS, okay?
Okay,
And put your name also, okay?
okay.
Fine. So anyways, Sachin.
Yeah,
So, what do you want? You want me to talk about the topic today?
yeah.
Okay, so I didn't introduce it yet. So, do you know what the topic is? Guess.
Last week I gave you a topic about, about,
Dress.
No, I gave you one topic about
Dress.
this about electronic gadgets.
No, you gave me about dress. I remember that. You gave me a
But
topic.
You didn't share it.
Huh?
You didn't share it to everybody that electronic gadgets topic.
I don't remember you saying that. I remember you saying dress, and I've picked that topic. I'm saying it another day. Dress, I know that you said it, but I don't remember electronic.
I said last Tuesday.
Last Tuesday. One time I asked you. I remember you said dress. So
Yeah,
that's why
but-
I've like noted it down, and it's there on my list. Like I'm going to be speaking about that one day.
Okay. Can you say today?
Today.
Yeah.
Today. I'll talk about it tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So anyway, Sachin, thank you for calling me. Hello? 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 Okay, I think the call has been dropped. But anyways, as I've not introduced my topic for today, the topic is books or positive benefits of reading books. So we all know a lot of things, positive things about books. So if you want to share anything with me and all our Kiddo Kids viewers, anything, my friends, our friends, anything, you could call up and quickly take up the phone and dial the number first and then call me, and then you could share everything with me. So basically I'm going to be talking about all the good effects of reading. Now there are some people who like reading, some people who don't like reading. So yeah, let me try to convince you. But anyways, before that we have a caller. So hello.
Hello,
Hello, hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Kalyani.
Kalyani. Hi Kalyani.
Hi.
Okay, so Kalyani,
Yeah.
will you sing a song?
Can you sing a song?
Me?
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, will you sing with me?
Okay, which song?
Okay, I don't know. You can say
Any song.
any song. What song should we sing?
Any.
Which all songs do you know?
I know many songs, Hindi, English.
Okay, Hindi. What song do you know?
In Hindi, most of the songs I know.
Okay, then sing one. Start singing one. I'll join with you.
Okay. मेरी तेरी प्रेम
कहानी है
है मुश्किल
दो लफ्जों में बयां ना हो पाए. एक लड़का
एक लड़की
की ना 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 दो लफ्जों में बयां ना
हो पाए.
Okay, Kalyani, you sang very well.
Same to you.
Okay, so Kalyani, let's talk about books or reading books.
Okay.
So do you like reading books?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so which is your favorite book?
My favorite books are Enid Blyton.
Enid Blyton books. Okay. What else books do you like?
I like fairy tales.
Fairy tales. Okay.
Then moral stories.
Moral stories. Very good. Then that's it.
Then that's it.
Basically, you like a lot of classic books.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyways, Kalyani,
Yeah.
do you want to play a game with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so what game do you want to play? Do you want to play the game in which I show you an object, you tell me about it, or do you want to play a new game which is I'll give you a word and you'll have to tell me a sentence?
Okay, new game.
New game. Okay, so I'll give you one word. You'll have to make one sentence with it. Okay, one or two sentences.
Okay.
Television.
Television.
TV. Yeah.
Okay. Television is a machine.
It's a machine.
Then we can see news, movies, cartoons in this.
Okay.
Then what else? There are many types of TVs.
Okay, there are different companies. Fine.
Yeah,
Okay, that's it.
that's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
very good.
Thank you.
Okay, so Kalyani, anyways, call me tomorrow,
Okay.
and tomorrow I will talk to you more. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
So Kalyani had called us and she sang a really nice song, and she also played a new game with us. But before that, we have another caller. So hello.
Hello.
Hello, hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Hiba.
Hiba. Hi, Hiba.
Hi.
Okay, so Hiba, now I'm the one who's sick.
Okay, what happened to you?
I don't know. I'm just. It's like a flu. I don't know, but my nose is blocked and all that.
Oh.
It's okay. I'll get over it. It's fine.
I will pray for you.
What?
I will pray for you.
No. Okay. Thank you. So, Hiba,
Yeah.
you're having exams now.
No, it will start on coming Sunday.
It'll start on Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay. When will it end?
Next 22nd. I mean this month 22nd.
22nd.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's starting on Sunday, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And mine ends on Sunday.
Oh.
I told you this yesterday, I think, right?
No.
No, because there was somebody else also whose exam finished on 22nd and started on 15th, and mine ended on 15th.
Oh.
I can't wait for 15th. What do you think? Do you want exams? Like, do you want it to be like you want to be time behind it, or do you want to just get over with it quickly?
I don't like exams.
No, do you want to like just get over with it quickly, or do you want to never go to that place? Like, do you want to always stay behind? Like, if suppose your exam's coming next week, if you had a choice to choose that you could quickly finish your exams or stay in that position for a long time, like you're like waiting for your exams to come, don't you think the other one's better?
No, I won't wait for my exams to come.
Exactly, so you just want to finish it off quickly and then enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay, so Hiba,
Yeah.
what do you think about reading books? What's your opinion? Do you like it, or
Yeah, I love reading books.
you love reading books? Okay,
Yeah.
which is your favorite book?
Tinkle.
Tinkle. What else?
Tinkle.
What else? What else other than Tinkle?
What? Diary of Wimpy Kid.
Okay, Diary of the Wimpy Kid. So, wait, did you hear a SMS question?
No.
Okay, so don't tell me the answer. I'll tell you the question, but don't tell me the answer.
Okay.
Okay, so the
Yeah.
question is, who is the author of the Diary of the Wimpy Kid? If you know the answer, SMS to 3939 with your name.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and stay tuned till the end of Kiddo Kids to know who's the winner. And if you win, you'll be winning a couple ticket to go watch the Sharjah Al Kasbah Latino Circus. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, then I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Okay. I want to play a game with you.
Okay, you want to play a game? Fine. What game do you want to play? Spelling game? Connection game?
Connection game.
Connection game.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go very quickly.
Sorry?
Okay? We're going to go very quickly, just 5 seconds for each person.
Okay.
So, the word I'm going to start with is, let's say, fine, dictionary. 5, 3.
Yoke.
Huh?
Yoke.
Okay, yoke. Okay, kite.
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 Ear.
Ear.
Yeah.
I have to say, no? R. Red.
Drum.
Drum.
Yeah.
M. Mine.
What?
Mining.
Oh, okay.
Mining.
5. Eyelid.
Huh?
Eyelid.
Eyelid. Den.
What?
Den. Lines. Den.
Net.
Huh?
Net.
Net.
Yeah.
TV. Television.
You said television or TV?
Television.
Okay. Nose.
What?
Nose.
Nose. Eyelid. No, you said eyelid. Eyeshadow.
Watch.
Okay, this is the last round. So you said watch. So I'll say hatch. So this is the last round. The game is over. You played very well.
Thank you.
Okay. So next time when you call me, we'll go even faster. Like 2 seconds for each person, and I'm going to lose for Pakka sure I'm going to lose.
No, I'm not good at this.
Okay. Anyways, we'll see who wins. But tomorrow you have to call me, and I'll play it with you again. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh my god. Okay, I just finished talking to Hiba, and it was really nice to talking to her. We played a game and all. It was really lots of fun. But before that, we have another caller. So hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Malvika.
Malvika. Hi, Malvika.
Hi.
Okay, so Malvika, did you hear what Charanya said in the starting?
Yeah, I heard.
Okay. So what do you want to tell about? What do you want to say about her?
Before that,
Yeah.
she told that I'm a good singer, right?
Yeah.
So I want to sing for her a song related to her name.
Oh, okay, fine.
It's an like another song's tune, but I made with Charanya's like words.
Oh, okay, nice. Okay, sing.
Thank you for telling me a good singer. Thank you, Sharanya. Thank you, Sharanya. My sweetie. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
You sang very well.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay. So, what do you want to say about Sharanya? Like, other than thank you, Sharanya, obviously. But what else do you want to say?
Yeah, she's cute.
Okay.
Then
Have you
then
seen
I
her?
think she said, huh?
Have you seen her?
Yeah.
Yeah. How?
Yeah, she's my family friend.
She's your family friend. Wow.
Yeah.
Is she cute?
Yeah.
Oh, her voice is so cute. So,
So just before I sung this song for my cousin.
Oh, okay.
She's like my cousin.
Okay. So what else do you want to
Then-
say about her?
Then she she sung before, right?
Yeah.
When she comes to my home, like she'll try to sing more better than me, and she'll say I will sing like so badly, and all she'll say.
Okay.
And she'll say I am the best, and
Who's the best? You or Malvik? I mean.
she'll say herself that she is the best.
Okay, so sweet. Okay, so Malvika,
Yeah.
do you want to play a game with me?
Okay.
Do you want to play dictionary game?
No.
Then?
Something else. Okay. What you played with Kichu?
Who?
Kichu. Sharanya.
Oh, okay. So I'll give you a letter and you have to say 5 words.
Okay.
Okay. So you're a bit more bigger. So I'll give you 2 letters.
Okay.
Like I'll give you the first 2 letters. You have to tell me 5 words that start with those 2 letters.
Okay.
You understood? Like for
Okay.
example, if I give you two letters like A, D, you'll have to tell me words like advice. Okay?
Okay.
Like that. Okay? So I'll give
Okay.
you 2 letters. It is okay, let's this is the first time we're playing, so let's give AD itself.
AD.
Okay.
Advice.
Okay.
Adverb.
Okay.
Adjective.
No. Oh yeah, okay, right. Adjective.
Adjective. Then Okay, can I say three words?
No, you have to say 5. 2 left. Quickly check the dictionary.
Okay, addition.
Okay.
Then
Adnol.
Adnod.
What?
Okay, 1 second.
Quickly. 5.
Okay, admission.
Admission. Okay, very good.
Thank
You
you.
played very well. Is it a hard
Okay.
game? Is it a hard game?
No.
No. Okay, the 5 words part is a little hard.
Yeah, then I want to tell you one thing that Sharanya is here. She's there with me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'll
So
give her.
So she called from your house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, hello?
Hello?
She did not call from my house.
Then?
She called from her house, then now she came here.
Oh, okay. So you live in the same building?
No.
Then?
No, she was like, she called, then like, our house are near.
Oh, okay.
Just near the building.
Okay, so your
Building was
building is near.
Can I
Fine.
give her?
Okay, fine.
Kichuda. Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hi?
Hello, Kiki.
Okay, Sharanya.
Yeah.
So you never told me that Malvika was your cousin or family friend.
Mm-hmm.
So I asked Sachin, no? I asked Sachin, no? You saw?
What?
I asked Sachin, what do you think about Sharanya?
Yeah, I saw.
You sure? Okay, anyway, Sharanya, you have to call me again, and also Malvika has to call me again, okay? Both of you have to call me.
Okay.
Bye!
Bye.
Okay, so Malvika and Sharanya had called us. Mostly Malvika talked. In the end, Sharanya talked to me, but Sharanya has talked to me before in the starting. But anyways, Malvika talked to me and she sang a really nice song dedicated to Sharanya. And Sharanya sang a song dedicated to Malvika. So that was nice. And I got to know their family friends. That actually reminded me of my own cousin brother, because we're also family friends, but he's like my own brother. Yeah, I never call him cousin brother because he's my brother. And he's only 2 years old. He's very small. His name is Vihan. Yeah, so Sharanya is, I've said this a lot of times, Sharanya is like my sister and he's like my brother. Like fixed. But anyways, let's go to our topic, because yeah, we haven't even started talking about it. So the first point I would like to talk about positive effects or benefits of reading books is it increases your vocabulary. So if you are very poor in speaking English, if you read a lot of English books, now to develop your English vocabulary, you need to read English books. You can't read other language books and expect yourself to get, increase your vocabulary in English, because you need to read a lot of English books to get more for your vocabulary to increase the level. Anyways, before that, let's go for a small rhyme. So stay tuned to Kiddo Kids.